Before she was born the last time I was here.
That's a few years, right?
Yeah.
We'll send you luggage shop.
Thank you, Jean. Nice to meet you. Give me your hand. Is she recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
This way. Mommy's gonna go that way.
You know, they stretch my arms
To
apart.
the left. And then down. We've never been here.
What's the upgrade you're talking about?
I don't know.
Wait, is there like 2 hotels plus, like, is it like 1 hotel
So
plus
there's
1
another front
hotel?
desk.
Daddy?
Oh, so she was.
Daddy?
She didn't. Obviously, she didn't get the same as Sheraton
I don't know.
because.
Well.
She just mentioned they had a bigger room. Oh, more executive lounge.
It's pretty out there. Which?
There, just want to try and talk to you.
Yeah.
Where is the way to the elevator?
We're going to.
Elevator. Just down there, then head to the left.
Okay, this is.
Oh, thank you. It's like trying to talk to my husband, but salamat din. Di kasi po, pasensya na hindi po marunong mag-Tagalog ng masyado. Bisaya kasi. Bisaya? Oo. As trying to talk to you out loud where the elevator is, and he's casually answering us. That's very good. Oh, there's another front desk here. Oh, so we got stuck there.
Don't take my bicycle in the yard.
Here.
Press.
Silly, up. And you want out. And then when you get in there, we're going for the 8.
This one.
Probably gotta scan this thing.
8?
Press 8. Yep, press it. There you go. And then you.
This.
I prefer not to share.
Look at the way it sprays.
We go to elevators, people are
It
there,
sprays
they're with us.
weird, Mommy. It sprays weird.
Yeah,
We finish our Asian
No, it like
travels on
same
the
as the
floor.
bathroom for soap.
Oh, floor. 8th floor.
Tilly, you're gonna come out here, and you know what we're gonna do? When we get to the room, we're gonna turn off the camera and then turn it back on again. Or actually, you can just turn it off. I think we'll just film with this in the room.
No, just let it continue.
Okay.
Castle.
Who's that?
805.
5.
This way. Yeah, this way.
Oh, this is pretty easy.
Oh no, sorry, hon. This way. 801, 802, 803. Yeah, this way. Yes, there's 805.
You mean 8005?
Yes, 8005.
8005.
Here we go. We're going into room 8005. We have not been in here yet. Let's take a tour.
Here we go.
Teacher Mama.
At the door.
Yeah,
Here we go.
Wow, wow, wow.
Bathroom. Oh yeah, this looks like familiar.
Daddy,
Shower stall,
I'm
bathtub,
recording.
divider. There's a little kid that comes with the room.
Then over here.
Alright.
Look at the little bathtub window.
Spoiled.
Then some stuff.
Good stuff.
And the beds. Wow.
That's alright.
Mommy, which bed are you
walking
gonna
around here the
destroy?
other day, lost.
Some mangoes. There's mangoes.
There's mango.
Which Tilly asked me, Mommy, which bed are you gonna destroy?
I want to take one bed and then you take the other bed.
Yeah,
That's my
yeah, you
bed.
gotta sleep on the couch.
Aww.
Hey!
For the daddy.
What if Daddy falls off? It's your fault, Mommy.
There it is. Good afternoon,
Oh.
Adam Borowick. See, Marriott's got it together. They know it, Mama. Mm-hmm.
Good afternoon, Adam.
Room here.
Mama,
Our
Papa.
last stay
Mama,
together as a
Papa.
fam before traveling back. I'll attempt to go to Korea after this. I still gotta get
Oh,
my
that's
PR
really
thing done.
scary.
That's not
That's
for 2 more
really
days.
scary.
I
Whoa.
love
Daddy, don't do that.
you. Why?
Oh, it's a little light.